H2 pulling up? Shit. Fuck you! Eat shit, bitch! What is up, YouTube? It is a beautiful day out. We're feeling good. We're gonna be going up to a expo. I don't even know. It's like a huge bike meet inside. I think it'll be sick. We're here with my girlfriend, Bimota CC. Go follow her on Instagram. ZX10R right there. Go follow him as well. We're gonna stop and get some gas. I don't imagine the bike's gonna be too empty, but you never know. We're going pretty far, so it's always good to top off on some gas. We have two plans for today. We're gonna hit this expo show, and then there is a meet at like 6 o'clock later tonight. Same area, so we're gonna pop into that as well. All right, yeah, let's grab some gas. I'm excited to get up there. Alright, we just got gas. We're gonna start mobbing up there. I really am hoping there's not a bunch of traffic. I kind of feel like there's gonna be a fair amount. We just got his bike tuned. Go check out the video before this. Thing is pushing so much power now. We still have yet to get a race in. We might end up doing it in this video, but it really just depends on traffic. Yo, this they're looking so hard. I want to get out, and we're gonna go and practice some wheelies, because I'm sick of not being able to wheelie. I see people wheeling all the time, and it looks so much fun. We've been practicing on my buddy's Z125. He just got it too. Okay, story time. We got the bike. We drove about an hour and a half to get it, an hour and a half back. Rough estimate. We got the bike back to my place, and we unloaded the bike out of the truck. Not even 5 minutes later, he tried to wheelie. It was like pitch black, so he couldn't see anything, but he ended up looping the Grom, and from there, he actually broke his finger. I'm sure at specific parts of the video you'll be able to see he only has one glove on. We need to get some new tires. We have, I think, Power 5s on there right now, front and rear. Power 6s just came out, so I don't know, they are a little bit more pricey. Anybody who's watching this video that has a recommendation for tires, drop a comment, because I'm not too knowledgeable on which tires I should be getting. I really do like the Power 5s. All right, we're almost there. All right, here's the plan. Listen closely, viewers. She's gonna pull up right here. We're gonna get off. We're gonna act like we're stretching, and we're gonna go kill switch her. Ugh. Oh, it's not suspicious. It worked. Now let's see if the Yamaha will turn back on. Hey! Camera report that! Dude, it doesn't want to pop into neutral. Give me a second. It's not hitting neutral now. Son of a bitch. Dude, yeah, it like got completely stuck. Yo, the gears got completely stuck from like first to second. I was like hitting that too, and it just wouldn't click. That's weird. BMW. BMW. Dude, every time, okay, BMW engineers that watch my videos, every time I take off traction control and ABS, I'm going to pop a wheelie. Okay, now I just look stupid because now my quick shifter is working. Anywho, it's been doing it a lot recently, I'll pop a wheelie, I'll set it down, and I'll go to shift from like second to third, and it just doesn't want to click at all. And that's the thing, is it's not just second, third, whatever, it's third to fourth, fourth to fifth, and sometimes it's even downshifting from like fourth to third, third to second. I really don't know why it does that. Hey, we got another biker, CVR, I think. I don't know if he's too comfortable with me riding next to him. He's bound to be though. We're gonna make him comfortable. Pause. We got some people. I got you. I love this bike, dude. Oh my goodness. This bike makes me so happy. We got a lot of bikes here too, dude. Oh, yeah. We got a new Gen S1000 up here. I'm parking next to him because I can.
I like it.
Thank you. Which one's yours? This one? Hell yeah. Very nice. How do you like the 25s?
2026.
26, okay.
Yeah, that's good.
Hell yeah, man. How's your tune?
Dude, it wants to lift so bad.
Does it? Oh, H2 pulling up?
Shit.
Beautiful exhaust. Yo, let me find my girlfriend before she beats my ass. 3,000 horsepower R7's pulling up. Hey, you got a stunt bike? Dude, I want a stunt bike. I'm gonna be honest. For some reason, this looks really familiar. We just left the meet. I really wanted to give you guys footage of the meet, but it was terrible. I mean, I guess if you're into like all the cruisers and just the Harley scene, then I mean the show would have been great for you if you're into all of that. But I'll be honest, there was a couple cool Harleys there that were like really built, but it just was not it at all. So we do have another meet that we're popping out to right, well, in a second. We're gonna get some food first. We're actually going to Chick-fil-A right now. We're gonna grab food, and then we're gonna head out to the other meet, which I hope it's good. We'll definitely see though. I mean, either way, it's nice to get out and ride. Hey, you wanna race? Yeah? I'm gonna race that thing. Oh, Beamer. Look. Huh? Fix it? Fix it? We just got some food in us. Banger food, let me tell you. Well, this meet better be good. I was honestly really disappointed by the meet, the expo meet that we were just at. Funny enough, I got onto Facebook to look for more meets tonight to make more content. Besides the one we're going to, there's a lot of people saying the expo center meet was really bad as well. I mean, it was really bad, but it's okay. Oh, the quick shifter is not wanting to work again. I tried to shift right there. Oh, there we go. The great thing about this meet though is it's like 10 minutes from the other meet, so we're all in relatively the same area. That was scary. that out. Oh, your turn. Holy God, she 12 o'clock wheelied. I don't think either of them saw that road rager. I don't even know why he was mad. I got over to get you guys the shot of the wheelie and he was not happy about it. I got a Supra over there. Hell yeah. Whip it around this way real fast. Kinda wanna go post up next to the Supra. Looks like a decent meet so far. We can go park with all the Beamers. We'll go this way. What's going on?
I'm so sorry to bring this up. My brother on July 1st. Take care of yourself.
Yeah, I got you.
We had the same bike and everything, bro.
Oh yeah?
Same fucking bike.
That's so sick.
Everything. Did I see you and my heart was like,
Yeah.
He crashed. He was running away from some cops and crashed July 1st.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Respect them, you know?
Yeah. Are you here in a car right now?
Yeah, I'm in my little Honda.
Okay, nice. We'll have to swing over and check it out.
Bro, it's beautiful.
Thank you.
Man.
Yeah, thank you. You as well. We'll just park right here.
It won't go anywhere, it's in gear. I mean, you can go kickstand's down. I'll hold it. Yeah, the kickstand's down. It's not going anywhere. I'll even hold it for you.
An R1 over there?
Right there. See, you're ready.
Oh, GTR! We missed it. Yeah, that meat was pretty bad too, I'm gonna be honest. But it's okay. Okay, listen. I'll be honest. I used to hate on Kawasaki for the longest time, and I never had any valid reason to. I just did. Ever since I've seen him start riding the Kawasaki's, like obviously everywhere we go, because he's on a ZX10, and he had a 636 before this. It's made me like Kawasaki a lot more. has been a very long day. I'm exhausted. Everybody else we're riding with right now is also very exhausted. We've been out just banging out content all day. It's been a beautiful day today though. A little bit cold, nothing bad at all. We're gonna wrap up the video here. Thank you to everybody that does stop by and supports the channel and all the social medias as well. It really does truly mean so much to me. Make sure you guys subscribe. It only takes a couple seconds out of your guys' day, and it really does support me to being able to do videos like this more and more often. Huge shout out to ZX10R and Coda CC. Go give them a follow on social media. I would not be here without them. With that being said though, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.